In this video, I'll show you a DIY natural cockroach killer using baking soda. If you're dealing with a cockroach problem, this video will help you eliminate it. Like humans and animals, cockroaches need three things to survive: food, water, and shelter. Unfortunately, your home provides all of these essentials. If it didn't, they would find somewhere else to live. However, this remedy will break that cycle. To begin, you'll need to identify where the cockroaches are hiding, so take note of where you've seen them before placing the bait. Here's what you'll need to get started. If you're concerned about using pesticides in your home due to pets or children, there's no need to worry. This solution is completely natural. You'll be using a simple mixture of sugar and baking soda to get rid of them. Neither substance is harmful to pets or humans, but the solution is deadly for cockroaches. The sweet smell of sugar lures the cockroaches out of hiding to eat it, and in the process, they also consume the baking soda. When the roach drinks water, the baking soda reacts, producing gas inside the roach, which causes its stomach to burst, ultimately killing it. Since cockroaches feed on dead roaches, they too ingest the fatal substance and die. Follow these steps to use sugar and baking soda to eliminate cockroaches in your home. You'll need a cup or small jug to mix equal parts of sugar and baking soda. This will be your bait. Place another dish or lid filled with water nearby. When you notice dead cockroaches around the bait, replenish both the bait and water. Position these bait and water dishes behind appliances, inside cupboards and pantries, in the garage, and in any other areas where you suspect cockroaches may live and breed. Keep in mind that this process may take several weeks to show results, as the sugar and baking soda are not pesticides but simply bait. While this remedy works more slowly than chemicals, it is much safer for both pets and family members. I hope you found this video on killing cockroaches with baking soda helpful. If you did, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I'm sure you'll also enjoy the next video.